game?
It's a big league game for us against a rival, Arlington, due to being a close school and the competitiveness of the two schools. It's a big rivalry game. We're going into it like every game. You know, we're looking to win. Coming off a loss here on our home field last year, you know, we're looking to get one back.
For the kids who were back from that team last year, what do they remember about that close game, and do they use that as motivation?
As coaching staff, we haven't been trying to talk too much about it. We're trying to focus on it. It's a football game. We're trying to win every game we play. It's a rivalry game. It's a league game, so it's an important win. For the guys that were on the team last year, I'm sure it's in the back of their minds. You know, walking away from it last year, we thought we played a good game and gave Arlington some opportunities. To their credit, they came up with some big plays when they needed it, but we felt we let one slip away from us last year.
You talk about trying to win every game you played. 2 games in, you're perfect. How happy have you been with the way the team's played and responded to what you brought as a first-year coach?
I've been very happy with the boys and everything we've done. They're working hard every day, trying to get better. And, you know, wins and losses are important, but most importantly, these kids have been coming out every day and working hard, and we've been showing improvement as a team. And I think if we continue to improve, we're going to do pretty well.
Again, like you said, it's a rivalry game. What do you know about Arlington this year, and what impresses you about what you've seen or heard?
From what I hear and from what I've seen, they're similar to us in that they have a lot of new faces. I believe they graduated 17 or 18 kids just like us, so it's a lot of new personnel. So far, the film I've seen, I'm impressed. They look pretty big up front, and they have a lot of skilled guys that are doing a pretty good job, and I know they're well coached. I've seen that the last couple of years. Coach Mattio's done a great job, so you know, we have a big game coming up against a good team. We're going to have to play very well to win.
Performance-wise on the field, what have you liked about your team so far?
Toughness. We got a tough group of guys. Those guys up front have been controlling the line of scrimmage. The backs are, you know, it's nothing pretty. They put their head down, they run hard, they fight for every inch. I couldn't be prouder with that's that tough attitude that you want as a coach. You want your kids to have that mentality, and these boys have really shown it so far.
And just lastly, what can John Jay fans expect this Saturday?
A good, hard-fought game. You know, it's going to be back and forth. Both teams are very run-oriented. I think it's going to be a very physical, very tough game with a big crowd, and it's going to be a great atmosphere.